Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia. Today I'm going to show you how to make this deep conditioner. If you are familiar with rice, yes, the very rice you eat, that's what I used in making this conditioner. If it's your first time of watching my video, don't forget to give a thumbs up. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So let's get started to this tutorial. So to get started with this tutorial, I'm going to measure out my rice. Here is half cup of rice I'm going to use, and this is the normal foreign rice. You can use any type of rice to do this deep conditioner. So after bringing it out, that I have to wash it. Just wash and put in a boiling water. And I'm going to cook it like the normal way you cook your rice, the same way you cook your white rice. Then after cooking it, I take part of it and put in my bowl. And the first ingredient I'm adding on the rice is the honey. Honey is very good to the hair. It helps condition the hair, and it adds sleep to the hair as well. Makes it easier to detangle your hair on wash day. Then the next one is Brahmi. If you've been watching my videos, you see that I love Brahmi. Brahmi powder is very good, and I love it as part of the Ayurvedic herbs. I love Brahmi because it helps condition your hair. It helps grow the hair and stimulate the hair follicles. And the next one is Bhringraj. Bhringraj is also good when it comes to Ayurvedic herbs. Bhringraj is on top the list. And the next one is almighty Fenugreek powder. And you can also use the seed if you're soaking it, but in this very tutorial I'm using the powder. Fenugreek powder is known for its lots of benefits, on the hair, especially the natural hair. So that's what I'm using it. And the next thing I'm going to add there is water, the normal water for moisture. Then I'm going to add water and stir it. At this point, I'll start blending it gradually to a fine paste. And that's what I'm going to do. Then after till I get a fine paste. I blended this for over 10 to 15 minutes. And as I blend, I top up the water, add warm water. So you can use hot water, warm water. Both are good for this tutorial. So I keep adding water and blending it to get the consistency I want it. And the more I add water, the more it gives me the consistency I want. So after blending it, at this point I added carrot oil. And carrot oil, as you know, is also good for the hair. And I added 2 tablespoons of carrot oil to this. After carrot oil, the next thing I added to this is glycerin oil. And you can add glycerin if you don't have the oil. It will still do the same thing. It draws moisture from the air, from the environment to your hair. And that's the good part of this. And that's why I used the glycerin in this tutorial. So this is the deep conditioner. If you will try this, or if you try it on your hair, don't forget to let me know. I have an Instagram page, a Facebook. I have a page on Facebook and Instagram as Natural DIY. If you have any question or concern, don't hesitate to use the comment section. Share my videos and like them, and comment if you have any concern. See you next time. Bye bye.